What's up, guys? We are back. How's everybody doing out there this afternoon on this Super Saturday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back. I want to show you a strategy, another way to market your digital business. All right, if you haven't checked out this program, the link is in the description. It's on the screen, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go there, get more details all about the program. I will also list in the description a link to our last webinar where you can see this program explained from A to Z, how it works. You will also see other people that are not in the program that attended the webinar that actually got on there and got some questions answered. You may have those same questions, but you will see the owner of the program explain it, show you step by step, very detailed, how the program works. All right, so that link will be in the description. Go there as well and check that out. Now, so how can you market this? What's another way to market it? And we want to talk about faceless marketing today. Yes, I am online. You see me. But guess what? That's another way to get exposure to your business. The more exposures, the more opportunities that you will get people to sign up. All right, it's attraction marketing. That's what it is. So that's just another way to market. So let's talk about that. And this training is included. All right, that's included in what you're getting here with your digital marketing program. All right, so let's go over here. See where we are here. Daily pay online business that works for you 24/7. So let's go and let me show you something. This training, where is it? Oh, hang on. Here we go. This particular training is included. So when you go to your dashboard, guys, you come down. It's a bonus. Right here it says exclusive bonuses. Click here. Doesn't matter which program you get started in, whether it's the 100, 300, 600, or the 900, you're going to get this training. Okay, this training could actually be sold separately. All right, that could be sold as a course separately, to be honest with you. All right, so when you come here, you log in, you click on bonuses and you come here. Here it is, your Invisible Empire Faceless Marketing Training, video tutorials. This was recorded live, so that way you can see people asking questions, okay, as the training was being conveyed. All right, so that's the good thing. So you can watch these over and over and over because they're recorded. All right, now let me show you. It also comes with, so you got your videos there, right? Explains everything. Then there's a PDF, okay, with it. So let's pull that one up. Okay, again, this is included. It's a bonus. Your Invisible Empire, your complete guide to a faceless brand. Okay, how to build the faceless brand. Quick blueprint on how it all works. Okay. So all the details is in here. Purchase a done-for-you digital program just like this one that we're talking about. From scratch, customize it. This digital program should be the solution to your target audience's problems. All right, it shows you everything. Make today the day you take bold steps towards your dreams. All right, work and have fun. So you get this PDF, you get the video tutorial training. All right, so let me show you what I've done here. See, it's 71 pages. Okay, digital growth, invisible empire, empire, I'm tongue tied today. Digital growth, invisible empire PDF. All right, hang on. You'll also see this link in the description. I have here, some done for you. Okay. Faceless content that you can post. Right here, 300 women inspiring AI images with MRR. So you'll get the master resale rights to this too. So not only will you'll purchase it, and then you can sell, okay, these digital products. Just think about that. 300. That's 300 different posts you can make per day. Over here, we've got 60 done for you faceless reels. If you've been following me, if you notice, I've been doing this. Okay, I'm not just telling you guys. I've been doing it. Okay, so not only am I on camera, but I like to use this because, again, it's more exposure, and it shows people that this is very simple. How hard is it to share 5 to 7 second videos? They're already done for you. All you got to do is put the content on them. We give you that. That's a part of the training. And you post those videos, guys. 5 to 7 second videos. There's people on Instagram killing this. Literally. You'll see that in the training. If you go to the Invisible AI training, there is some examples or some real people that they show you that's using this, that started from scratch. A faceless, I mean, they literally have a whole faceless channel. You don't even know who they are. And they're using these images, they're using these faceless videos. You'll see people on TikTok. I've used a few of them myself. TikTok, you can use these everywhere. All right. It's attraction marketing. It's another way to get exposure to your opportunity, because guess what happens? You're sending people to your capture page where people have to put in their email, and the system will do the selling and telling for you. That's your job. So it's to put out information. It's like a commercial, right? It's just like the commercials we see on TV. Their job is to put it on TV, put it everywhere, right? The McDonald's, the Burger Kings, all these places. We watch them, and their job is to get us to get to the store. They know once we get there, we're going to buy more than what they just showed us on TV. That's just how that goes, right? But they know if they get it out there, and that's why we see these commercials, right? Over and over and over. That's marketing. The big boxes understand it. The big boxes are the big companies. They understand marketing is key. Even in your mailbox, I get the same thing over and over and over. Go to your mailbox, you see those same coupons. You get them in your email over and over and over. That is marketing. They never stop, right? So why should you? The more exposure, you're getting them in your mail. Now they want your email. They now also ask you when you go to some of the stores, well, what's your phone number? We can text you some coupons. You give them your phone number. Now you got text messages. You got emails coming. You got stuff in your mail. They're on your TV. They're popping up on your computer. That's marketing, right? So this is marketing, all right? So I have a link in the description where you can go get these. These will help you promote your business, all right? I had 2 people that signed up by these. The lady told me, hey, I kept getting these videos popping up. Okay, I was posting them. And she said, hey, she signed up. So this works. People see the simplicity in that as well. All right, so another marketing strategy. So faceless marketing is a thing. It's not new. It's been around a long time. It's just all of a sudden it's trending. You know how things are. So it's at that point where it's just at a peak of trending at this moment. But it's been out for years. Years and years and years. All right. But you're going to get this training here. All right. As a bonus. Where did it go? This is a bonus. See? Bonuses. Just go there. Doesn't matter which program you get in. You're going to get this. Once you get in here, you're going to see the PDF that I was just showing you. And you can follow that along with the videos. All right. So go check my stuff out. You'll see that I'm actually doing what I say. I'm showing it to you, but I'm doing it as well. So I'm here to help you learn digital marketing with master resale rights. How to do this. All right, guys. So go check it out. My link is in the description to get one of these programs, number one, so that you can earn daily pay. There's four programs that we've got. I'm here to assist, as well as we've got over 24,000 people in our community. Being a part of that alone is powerful. So what's great about that, think about it. Not just you going to have access to the community. Everybody you sign up, you're not going to have to worry about training them. Any of that, you're going to be able to invite them here to the community. And then the community has training, Zoom calls, all that. Let's go over here really quick, right? We're here in the community. If we come over here, let's see how many folks. I said 24,000, whatever, right? 24,600 people. Come to the calendar. We're in June, right? What's today? The 22nd. Okay, we didn't have anything going on yesterday or today, right? But look at the calendar. Every day there's something happening. So for the week, we had a training here. Monday Motivate. Is that Monday? Yeah. Monday Motivate Mentoring. Every Monday. There's some type of mentoring coming up this Monday. But we had Monday Mentoring. We had our Legacy Builder training. If you purchase the $900 program, that is exclusive just for the people that purchased the $900 program. And that is interactive training, where you can interact with each other. You can role play. You can get your questions answered. More of a private training. Then we have Tech Tuesday for people that may have concerns or issues with them setting up their system. We have that twice a week. Live Zooms. Everything that's here is also recorded, so you can always go back and watch it. Then on Wednesday, what do we have Wednesday? Let's see. A tech question and answer call. Okay. Had that on Wednesday. Go back. Then we had social media. What was that? Social media training on Thursday. Okay. And then at 4 o'clock, we had our tech calls again. So there's always these calls that you can jump on. And then, wait a minute, I think I went wrong. Whoa, back it up. Ha! Social media, yep, Thursday Tech Zooms. Okay? And all these are recorded. That's the other thing. So this week, see what we got coming up? Same scenario. Well, we got a meetup at 2 o'clock. That's the only thing different. There's a Facebook training. Check that out. There's a Facebook training this week. And we've got some webinars coming up, some free webinars too for folks. So you can invite guests to check them out. So you'll be seeing that in the community. All you have to do is come to the community, look at the pinned posts. Like today is day 81. What action needs to be taken the last 10 days of June? So there's a motivational daily video that you're going to get from the owner. Every day like clockwork. Okay, guys? So you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. All right? So you want to go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, that link in the description. All right? Get started. You're gonna pick from those programs. Let me show you that. That's where I was. Hang on. Let's go back over here. 4 programs. Get in where you fit in is what I like to say. I'm all in. 900. Okay, I don't want to leave any money on the table. All right, but you can get started, guys, for as low as $100, $129. There's no monthly fees here, no auto ships, one-time payment. You're one and done. Okay, that's it. So here are the 4 programs. You got your launch pad. You got the passive daily pay blueprint. You got the digital mastery, and you have the legacy builder program. Digital programs, not a course that's sitting in your dashboard that you just log in and you're on your own. Okay, no support. You may have your sponsor, but that's it. Okay, here you have a community over 24,000 people that's here to help you get your questions answered. So the launch pad is $100 and $129. The $29 is for your website pre-built. Everything is already done. All these are done. All you gotta do is plug in, follow the training to set yours up. You could be literally set up in about 2 hours. All right. Now, Launchpad, $129. 100 will go to the person that referred you. This is direct sales member to member. There's no middleman. There's no waiting on payments. As soon as you go and click that button, buy, boom, 100 goes to that person. You're going to get another link after that to pay the $29. So it'll be 2 separate payments. Okay, so $129 Launchpad. Daily Pay Blueprint, $329. That's going to give you access to earn on the Daily Pay Blueprint and the Launchpad. You can only sell what you purchase. If you didn't purchase the $300 program, you can't sell it. Your website is only going to have the product, the program that you purchase on it. Okay? So position yourself accordingly to what you can do, right? And you can always upgrade later, by the way. All right, next, the third program is the Digital Mastery. That's $600. It'll be $629. That's going to give you access to 3 different incomes, 100, 300, and 600. And this page is going to list all the modules, whatever's included in each program. It's going to list it and break it down for you so you know what you're getting. All right, and then the cream of the crop, the creme de la creme, is the Legacy Builder program. It includes everything, just like it says here. Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, the Digital Mastery. And this training right here is the one that's going to give you the interactive training. Okay? Powerful stuff here. Powerful, powerful, powerful. So, 4 programs, 4 income streams. Not to mention all these bonuses. 8 bonuses you're going to get. One of those bonuses I just went over was right here. Bonus number 8, your Invisible Empire Faceless Marketing. Okay? That's free, even if you get the $100 program. Alright, guys? So, I just wanted to point that out to you that faceless marketing is definitely a thing. Alright? And if you haven't included it, that's something maybe you can include. If you're already going live, if you're already doing videos showing your face, you can add this as another layer, another strategy. Alright? And like I stated, I've got a link in the description if you want some done for you reels or done for you faceless images. Alright? Created by AI. This is nothing that was just Google images. No, these have been created by AI. Okay? So some new, fresh stuff we got going on here. Alright, guys? So go check this out. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. You can go here as well. You'll see those links in the description. And go watch the webinar so you can see what people are saying. And you'll also see real testimonies from real people, everyday average people. Okay, just like you and I, that have actually started from scratch, never knew what this was about, followed the training, and got results. Okay? Again, results aren't typical because we don't know what you're going to do with it. So I'm not going to sit here and guarantee you what you're going to make, but I'm showing you a proven system that's already worked for thousands of people already. So if they can do it, you can do it if you apply yourself. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.